Welcome back to Americatech. In episode 5 of Building Smart Data Systems, we're exploring metadata, often called the data about data. Metadata might sound technical, but it's essential for making sense of all your information. Think of metadata as the labels on your files or folders. It describes what the data is, where it comes from, how it can be used. There are 3 main types of metadata. Descriptive metadata. Purpose. Aids in finding, identifying, and selecting resources. Examples: title, author, subject, keywords, abstract, description, tags. Use case. A search engine using keywords and author names to find documents. Structural metadata. Purpose. Describes how compound objects are put together and how parts relate. Examples: table of contents, page order in a book, relationships between tables in a database, how a website's homepage links to subpages. Use case. A digital library organizing a book's chapters and sections. Administrative metadata. Purpose. Manages and preserves resources, including technical and rights information. Examples: file type, for example, PDF, JPG, creation date, access permissions, usage rights, preservation formats. Use case. A system managing file access rights or tracking a file's original creation details. So why do we use metadata? They improve analytics by making data discoverable and easier to search, enabling data governance and compliance, helping AI and machine learning understand context, improving decision-making with accurate, trustworthy data. Let's use a real-world example. Imagine a retail company where raw sales data is collected daily. Metadata describes each record, store location, product category, timestamp. Analysts and AI can quickly filter, aggregate, and generate insights. Decision makers get accurate, actionable reports faster. To recap, metadata is data about data. Descriptive, structural, administrative types help organize information. It improves analytics, AI accuracy, and business decisions. That wraps up episode 5 on metadata and its many use cases. In our final episode, we'll cover data governance, why it matters more than ever, making sure your data is secure, accurate, and compliant. If this video helped you understand metadata, leave a like, subscribe, and share with your team. Questions about implementing metadata for smarter analytics? Drop them in the comments. We might feature them in the next episode. Thanks for watching. See you in episode 6.